Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunter step by step. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And now, let's begin! First, we start drawing two lines. Now pay attention about this line, cause this line going to be the distance between the eyes. Now it's time to draw in the face, Juno's face. Okay, face is done. Now it's time to add some elements like the nose, the eyes, and the ear. In this case, just one. Now for the nose, just three lines and these two. Now it's time to draw in the mouth. Now let's continue with the ear. If you pay attention, I don't press the pencil on the paper, just a light way. Now let's draw the cejas in Spanish. And that way, that look really nice. I love it. Now it's time to draw the hair, Jinu's hair. And that way, guys. I'm using a HB pencil for the sketch. Later I'm gonna use a 4B pencil for add some details. And now don't forget the clothes of Jinu. And now it's look really beauty. I love this drawing. And look at this. Now I start to add some details. I like to use this kind of paper for try to protect the drawing and don't make a disaster. And now guys, here we have the final result of our drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, that helped me a lot. See you next time and never forget, God bless you. Bye bye. Adios.